Hello guys, this is great news, right? KAROLL just closed 1 million deal in estate. This speaks volume, guys. It speaks volume. This is our official Facebook for estate, and this is where KAROLL shared the good news, guys. So here is KAROLL. She said, estate family, yesterday I shared a video saying that I was in negotiations with a serious buyer. The deal was already in the final stage and we just needed time to complete the USDC purchase for $1 million. Today, I am proud to say that the deal is officially completed. Impossible is possible when you stay focused, stay consistent, and refuse to give up. This is not just a transaction. For me, it is a proof that preparation, patience, trust, and leadership can open real doors to every agent watching this. Okay, this is the reason why I have been telling you guys in my team to become an agent, because it helps a lot, right? It helps you to learn more about the business. It helps you to share the business as well with the people that you love, that you want them to benefit from what we are actually benefiting from in estate. So to every agent watching this, keep going, keep learning the platform, keep following up, keep showing up, and keep believing in the work you are doing. Your next serious client may be closer than you think. Wishing everyone a powerful and productive week. Congratulations, KAROLL. I don't know how else to say this, but you have done something that has never been done before. $1 million deal in estate is huge. Now, for those of you that are watching this video, this is not to brag about anything. This is just to tell you that if you put your mind to something, you will get results. Take a look at the agent commission that she just received for closing that deal, right? So, first of all, she got agent commission of $60,000 for completing a $1 million deal. Plus, this deal took her to the next rank, okay, the next agent rank of 13, and then she has been given bonus reward of $17,500 plus 17,580K. This is great. I don't know how else to congratulate KAROLL, but KAROLL, you have done really, really well. So thank you for closing this deal, and thank you for sharing the deal that you have closed. This is a motivation for us that are agents, and this is just another win for the whole family of estate. That is all I have to say. Thank you, KAROLL, for closing this deal on behalf of estate. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Guys, if you are watching this and you are not an agent yet, well, you can see the results of being an agent. So don't sit on the fence anymore. Log back into your account. In your back office, you will see a button that says become an agent, and then click it and follow the instructions there. Just so you know, for those of you that don't understand who KAROLL is, let me show you who she is, right? It's right on the website here, okay? This is KAROLL here. What did the website say? The website say KAROLL Peterson is the head of agents. So she is the head of all the agents in estate, and she just closed that deal. So this, to me, is really, really setting the pace for every single agent that is in estate. So for those of you that are looking to join estate, the link to do so is below this video description. And when you join, don't remain a buyer. Try to become an agent as well, okay? So that you will get to close some deals, you will get to receive some bonuses, just like what KAROLL just received today. So guys, thank you, and that's me.